Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang, talking about that generation here from year 2015 to year 2023. If you have one of those, you need to find where the active grille shutter, guys, fuse is located, which fuse you need to check. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So here we're going to demonstrate on a 2018 Ford Mustang GT 5.0, but even if you have a different engine, guys, it will work as well. So let's explain what we have here. On the left side, on the passenger side, you have a fuse box. That's a cover right here. How you open that, you press here, pull up, just like that. Now here, guys, which fuses we need to check. You can see we have the fuse layout right here. Now that fuse layout corresponds to what we have here. Unfortunately, you have only the numbers. They don't tell you what the fuses are for. Now let's explain which fuse you need to check. Okay, but before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So if you come right here, that fuse block right here that we see corresponds to specifically that fuse block right there. The fuse will not be known, guys, as active grille shutter fuse in your manual. It will be under a different name actually. But if you look right here, we're talking about fuse number 42. That third fuse on the right side, 1, 2, 3, that 15 amp fuse, that's the one that you will need to check specifically for the active grille shutters. If you guys have any more questions, you want to see anything else specifically, let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.